Today I'm going to do a beehive inspection, and I thought I'd show new beekeepers how to start one of these smokers. It's really simple, there's not much to it. I start out with a handful of just about 3 or 4 squares of a paper towel. Stick it down in there. You're going to light it. Let it start to burn. Alright, once the flame gets up pretty decent, then you're going to slowly feed it some pine needles. I like to use pine needles. There's all kinds of stuff out there on the market you can use. But you don't want to smother that flame out completely just yet. You will smother it. But you're just going to take your time, and you can feel the heat come up from this thing. Give it a couple of pumps, and you'll hear those pine needles crackle. When you hear those pine needles crackle, you know it's starting to burn, and not just the paper towels. Give it a few pumps, and you can feel that heat. Once you feel it starting to get hot, go ahead and shove some more in there. Just a handful. Give it a few pumps. Get the air flowing in there. As soon as I feel that heat building up in there, I'm going to pack it down a little bit further. Give it some more. Pump that up. And this will give me plenty of smoke to get me through my inspection on my top bar hive. There we go. Look at that. Very good. Now it'll just sit there and smolder. Give it a few puffs of air. Keep that air going in there. And you just set this to the side. Do whatever you need to do. Pick it up when you need it. Now be careful of this down here. It does get hot. It's not to that point yet. Not sure if the lighting is good enough where you can see in there, but you get the gist of the idea. Plenty of smoke. That's all there is to that.